Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome aboard this extraordinary flight, Eber 2023 and 24. With all the other available airlines out there, we thank you for choosing Eber Prep Airlines with the slogan, helping all to succeed, as your preferred carrier throughout this journey. We are delighted to have you join us on this memorable journey. As we embark on this flight, allow us to introduce our exceptional crew members, the leadership team, who will be guiding us through this exciting expedition. Please give a warm round of applause to our incredible leadership team, the captains of our educational voyage. Now, meet our relief crew members who provide instrumental support and relief to our cockpit staff, our administrative team. Now, let's introduce our dedicated flight attendants, who have tirelessly provided guidance and instructions along the journey, our esteemed instructional and support staff. Let's show our appreciation for these remarkable instructional and support team members who go above and beyond to ensure the safety and security of our passengers. But wait, this flight would not have been possible if we did not have our 538 passengers and their supporting sponsors, parents, and well-wishers. We ask for a rousing round of applause for our first-class passengers, the graduating class of 2024. 41 ladies and gentlemen who have been equipped and will be the first to disembark this flight as they continue their journey to different destinations within various high schools. Meet our junior team. The leadership crew of our airline saw the need to recruit additional crew members in the form of many flight attendants. Our student council body was inducted to serve throughout the flight. As you can see, our aircraft, passengers, and crew members are still in tip-top shape. Special thanks to our hospitality crew who kept us refreshed throughout our 11-month journey. Also, we thank the in-flight service manager, Mr. Andrew McBean, and his PTA executive members who supported our sponsors and kept them up to date with the flight's progress. Ladies and gentlemen, this flight is about to take off. Please fasten your seatbelts as we prepare for takeoff on this incredible leg of the journey, as together we highlight successes and achievements towards the end of Flight 2023-2024. As we soared through the skies of achievement, please turn your attention to the screen located in front of your seat. Let us look at some of our major achievements. This was the start of a challenging yet remarkable trip for our team of 21st century tutors and mountain movers. Our journey was not just about reaching our destination. Given the expected 11th-month journey, we ensured that we created an inclusive community where constant learning, innovation, creativity, development, and growth was promoted. The entire trip was fueled under the theme, helping all to succeed, a place where every day is a new day. On September 4, 2023, Eber Prep Airline took to the air for its 26th voyage with its 538 passengers and 54 crew members, which included over 100 first-time flyers. Due to the growth, we had to recruit new crew members and add 2 new cabins. As with every flight, we dare not embark on this journey without ensuring that we have a good connection with the control tower commander. It is imperative that we remain in constant communication, daily through class devotions, weekly through general assembly, and during turbulence, we linger on the line a little longer until we get all clearance. We had a glorious heavenly time during our annual week of prayer. An interim co-captain in the person of Albert Morris led us through this leg of our spiritual journey. To conclude that honorary flight, we flew over to the Mount Salem SDA Church, where we had a wonderful time giving God praises for navigating us safely through 25 years. We had now reached the desired altitude and were cruising along nicely when we came upon some mighty turbulence. It shook the entire frame of the plane and caused great distress upon learning that we had lost one vital crew member, our beloved KG-1 attendant and JCDC steward, Miss Patrina Bruce. Today, in honor of her memory, one lucky passenger will be receiving the Patrina Bruce Award for outstanding participation and accomplishment in the performing arts. Let us pause for a moment of silence as we reflect on her legacy. This was a multi-stop flight in the hope of attaining the ultimate Eberific experience. Here is a quick synopsis of memories created during the several stops made. As an airline that has been in existence for over 26 years, we embrace our corporate responsibility with great pride. Midway throughout the flight, we made a detour and descended on the community of Lethe and Hanover, bearing gifts, clothing, and other supplies. We also hosted a joyful program of entertainment and activities for needy children in the community. We thank all our valued customers for your contribution to this cause. Like the dazzling lights of Las Vegas, the grounds of Eber Prep were transformed into a flurry of lights, excitement, and bedazzlement as talents exuded from the entertaining and glamorous event dubbed Eber Shining Stars. The stars really shone that night, the shiniest of them all being Alelia, Kaylin, and Justin. Bright stars and honorable mentions included Caden, Mia Joanna, Javert, and our youngest finalist, Josene. In order to facilitate a connecting flight to the second half of Term 2, passengers were given the options to travel to Chuckabaloo, Sandy Bay, the cruise piers in Montego Bay and Falmouth, Swamp Safari, Institute of Jamaica, and Port Royal. Everyone anxiously took up the opportunity to stretch their legs and learn historical facts about each location. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. The journey is a long one, so we always love when our passengers work together to build camaraderie, tolerance, and unity in a good show of sportsmanship. Consequently, we had no objections when the passengers donned their newly incepted white PE gears with red, yellow, blue, and green logos, and the crew members declared, "Let the competition begin." At this point, the atmosphere drastically changed to a competitive environment as Emerald, Ruby, Sapphire, and Topaz wrestled it out to see who Eber Prep's champion team would be. The groups valiantly competed in inter-house spellathon, quiz, students and parents football, harvest, house garden competition, and the big showdown on Sports Day. When the Jets' smoke cleared, Emerald House was lauded as the overall champion. Intermittently, we were served a wide variety of medals, awards, and other accomplishments on a silver platter. Just to reinforce, Eber is always in it to win it. We are excited to share that Eber Airlines has 2 VIP passengers traveling in first class. They are St. James top spellers at the kindergarten and primary levels. Fellow passengers, please give a round of applause for Miss Dejanelle Dixon, winner of the Kiwanis Kitties Spelling Bee, and Mr. Nathan Walker, Gleaner Spelling Bee champion for St. James, as well as Jamaica's top 5 national speller. Congratulations to our star spellers on a job well done, and kudos to Coach Scott and her daughter Eve, who is last year's Spelling Bee champion, along with the Dixon and Walker's families for your partnerships and contributions. With the help of crew member Mr. Caleb Gibbs, we were served spiritual food and an international Bible quiz package, and the takers eagerly devoured several chapters in the book of Acts. The flight industry later held a competition with 18 other airlines, and Eber Prep Airlines emerged third place overall. We give God thanks for this success. Our Junior School Challenge Quiz team visited the TVJ studios, played their hearts out, and won their match. Because of this victory, the players received a complimentary ticket for our next voyage to complete in the TVJ Junior School Challenge Quiz. Congrats to the students, players, and reserves alike who trained hard, the coaches who assisted in the preparation, the administration, and parents for your unwavering support. A contingent of crew members and passengers disembarked on the John Rollins Success Primary School to represent Eber Prep at the 4-H Achievement Day. The students did exceptionally well. Congratulations are in order for Mrs. Medley and all the parents, teachers, members of staff, and students who contributed and worked tirelessly to complete the house gardens. Your efforts did not go unnoticed, as Eber Prep received first place recognition in the 4-H garden competition for the parish. Ruth Gibbs copped second place position in the seed identification and germination competition, and Mia Joanna Codner was not only placed first in the fruit slush making competition for the parish of St. James, but she copped gold at the regional level, and we are proud to share that Eber Prep has the best fruit slushy maker in the entire country of Jamaica, as Mia Joanna attained the national award. This was also a year of speed, agility, and championships. Our crew members, Mr. Romario Henry and Mr. Ramesh Beshu, along with their dedicated team of passengers, cruised to third place in the Western Prep School Championship, fifth place in the GISA Western Track Meet, and won several individual medals at the Kiddies Track and Field Meet. Literacy has been a vital component of our airline policies. Led by our captain Tony Ann Sheriff, a team of passengers and crew members participated in the Ministry of Education Regional Literacy Fair. Eber again was echoed over and over by the announcer as our passengers collected several medals for their participation in the myriads of literacy-themed activities. At the end of that leg, Eber Prep was declared the region's #1 school for literacy. This leg of our journey was the most inspiring. A team of crew members and passengers, led by Mr. Roxroy Campbell and Danique Brown, entered several JCDC categories in the performing arts. The team labored tirelessly and sacrificed their time and effort. We were wowed with the achievements as we received over 16 medals. We are delighted to share that the Class 2 Dandyman piece in the Minto category was so golden and exceptional at the parish level that they advanced to compete at the national finals, and Eber Prep was crowned the national winners of the Minto Class 2 category. This group will advance to the Mellow Go-Round performance in Kingston during the summer. Congratulations to the students, Mr. Campbell, Miss Brown, and how could we forget Miss Commanda, who stepped in to ensure that our dancers were adequately prepared. Thanks also to other staff members, parents, and administration for your unwavering support in the performing arts. Job well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your captain speaking. We have begun our descent into the academic year 2023-2024. In preparation for landing, be certain your seat is in the upright position and your seat belt is securely fastened. Please secure your carry-on items, store your tray table, and pass any remaining service items along with all unwanted reading materials to the flight attendants.
What can we say? It was indeed a remarkable flight. We hope you enjoyed your journey with us. We look forward to serving you on Flight 2024-2025.
Where it promises to be even grander. One of the exciting features to look forward to is the rollout of a robust literacy program as we collaborate with some of our British and US-based partners. We aim to improve literacy by 100% at Eber. Another exciting addition will be the inaugural staging of Eber's Inter-School Spelling Bee competition. The next big projection is the construction of 5 state-of-the-art classrooms along with our own auditorium.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.
And congratulations to our graduates.
We wish you a brighter future with infinite possibilities.